We were waiting for the train to come, and then the police pulled up and we had to slide down the hill, and I have ripped my jeans and my butt is out, kind of. But yeah, sorry mum. Stay the camera. Hello and welcome to rural Australia. For those of you who don't know, my name's Josh and I'm from the UK. We're currently doing our farm work to complete your 88 days. When you complete your 88 days, you get the chance to extend your visa for another year. I'm not actually doing that. My friends are here because they're going to stay on for another year. I'm obviously following along. Me and my partner are following along. We're here because the rent is cheaper and we're just earning money just to go to the next adventure. We've been tomato picking, we've been grape picking, we've been apple picking, and I'm now currently pruning. It's a lot of hard work. So we arrived here in early April. It's now mid-July and we've got the aim of leaving here early August to then finish Australia, go to Asia. So you probably can't tell, but it is winter here. It gets very cold in the mornings and at night, and it is chilly now. I mean, the sun's out, it's warm, but it's chilly. And in the morning, going to work, the car's frozen. So a lot of the season has died out, so it's been a bit harder to find jobs. When we first arrived here in April, we got the odd day of like tomato picking, which has a story behind that. We also did apple picking for 2 weeks. Now that was that was hard work because you're going up ladders all day. You get these big sacks, which you'll see in the videos, big sacks over your shoulders that you fill up and then empty into crates. So that was quite hard. And then that season came to an end. So then we were waiting around for a little bit, and then we managed to land a pruning job, which is about a 50-minute drive from the hostel. Now the drive is the best bit of the day. So we're driving, well, the agency that got us the job was like, be careful on the roads that you're going down because it's known for loads of kangaroos. They just jump out in front of the cars. And yeah, they weren't wrong. The amount of times we've had to slam on the brake. It is the best part of the day because you're seeing kangaroos, you're seeing echidnas, you're seeing emus, we've seen pigs, we've seen goats, just free roaming. So yeah, that's the highlight of the day. But the job is very hard. When I thought we landed a pruning job and they said it's air pruners, I was like, oh great, that's going to be easy. They do help a lot with the pruning guns, you can see in the videos, but it really aches your hands, like your thumbs hurt, my fingers are all stiff and cramped up, and you're looking up for like 8, 9 hours a day, stretching up, cutting these trees. So my shoulders have been killing me, my neck's been killing me. We've now been given steps, which I think is a bit too late because the damage is done to my shoulders. But so this video is mainly going to consist of videos from my iPhone, lots of sort of behind the scenes of me actually doing the farm work, so you can just get a little insight of what's going on when you're coming out here to do it. I know when I was back home, I was on YouTube trying to find all these farm videos. So it's just nice to have a little image in your head of what it's going to be like. Be sure to follow here, you don't want to miss out. We've got a lot of exciting places we're going to go to, lots of adventures. I'm very excited for what's to come. Anyway, enjoy the video. I'm going to head off now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and all that jazz to follow along to our next adventures. It's going to be exciting. So cheers.
Sí, mamacita.
So the first few days in, we landed a tomato job because there was a frost coming and the farmer wanted everything picked. There was a lot of bending down all day, so my back was in bits. Then we got a few odd days on a vineyard picking grapes, and then it was just chilling for a bit, and then we landed a apple picking job. We got an apple farm this morning, and we were told last night that the farm is a bit crazy, so might get shouted at. We'll see what happens today. Currently up a ladder, picking apples. The guy who turned out, he's alright, but we'll see how the rest of the week goes. we've just finished day 1 of apple picking. The guy wasn't too bad, but yeah, we'll see how the week goes. Just heading back up now to the car, and yeah, I mean, it was quite hard work, but it's a bit easier I think than tomato picking, because tomato picking you're bending down all day, but with the apple picking you have like a sack over your shoulders and fill that up, so it does ache your shoulders a bit. But yeah, let's do it all again tomorrow. Back for day 2. Just after the Christmas shop in, what are we? April. Excited?
It's Christmas!
Here, done with the shop. We just got some animal feed. Feed the animals now. We've made it to the bridge after getting lost once. Look at that.
Wow, a bridge. Bridge.
Bridge. Bridge.
Bridge.
This is lovely here. Look at that. Waterfall down there, and then the creek just goes all the way down there. Lovely. So we're walking through this national park, and it's the perfect spot for snakes and all of that. We just got scared by some massive thing in the bush. Don't really know what it was, but it scarpered away from us, so could have been a snake, but it looked quite thick. But yeah, like perfect spot for reptiles, and walking along trying to get to the other side, but there's so many little gaps and things where they could be staying, so a bit scared. So we've come back to where we were yesterday, and we're walking in this bit where we probably shouldn't be because it's not really a path, but walking down here, and then we just spotted a big black snake just slither into this bit here. I didn't get my phone out quick enough to actually film it, but I'm gonna stick here for a few more seconds, see if we can see it again. But I think it was a red-bellied black snake. You scared?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Shit. I've been doing apple picking about a week now. Safe to say, kills your shoulders. So yeah, if you're ever doing it, if you're coming out here and doing it, just be prepared. Stop the tractor. Go back to the front. Hey! Another day in the farm now. On the tractor. Beautiful. Still don't see our shoulders, but yeah, hopefully it gets better. So we've left our hostel, and one of the very few things to do around here is go to Queen Mary Falls. So we're walking down there now, about a 40-minute return, so see what it's like. Yeah. Look at this. Gorgeous. Can hear the waterfall now. We have made it to the waterfall. Look at that. Beautiful. What did you think of the waterfall?
It was lovely.
It was lovely. We went on the rocks, well, me and Harry did. Nearly slipped. But yeah, very nice. We thought it was only about a half an hour drive away, but we got to where the sign was that we've seen, and it was another half an hour from there, so but it's lovely here. We are at Giraween National Park, having a stroll around now. There's a place called the Balancing Rock where these two big boulders balancing on top of each other. So we're going to have a stroll through National Park now, lots of little creeks around. Yeah, we'll have a look.
How you doing there, Joshy?
So I got off that sheer sort of slide and now I've got to this bit, but the next bit to get to the top is up this, and I don't think I can do it. I haven't got the boots, I've got no grip on these shoes, so I might have to call it and just try and get down. It's a shame. Back down, flat ground now. That's quite scary. But, yeah, I couldn't get all the way to the top, but well, on a trade track, up high. We were waiting for the train to come, and then the police pulled up, and we had to slide down the hill, and I have ripped my jeans, and my butt is out, kind of. So yeah, sorry mum. So we're at these caves, and we've climbed up to the boulders, on top now. Pretty cool. Trying to drive. Bloody cow. Come on. Oh god. Oh god. On the pruning farm with the pruners attached to the air, pruning the trees. Hopefully we've got this until August, which is good. Fingers crossed anyway, we don't really know, but yeah, kills your back, kills your hands, but let's keep going. That tire. Hello, we are at Boonoo Boonoo, just arrived, and we're on the way down now to the falls and the rock pools. Just watching it now. First time it's cool. So it was hammering down on the way here this morning. Got here at 6:50 this morning and no one was here. and obviously we don't work in the rain, so, but the farmer said he would let us know, send us a text of the morning, well, the night before, if we're not coming in, and he didn't, so we came. No one was here, and then an hour later we just started because the rain's cleared. But I can confirm kangaroos have the zoomies, well, they get the zoomies, because one zoomed past us whilst we were just chilling in our car, did a little lap, and then went back to meet his friends, and then zoomed off. So yeah, kangaroo zoomies is a thing. Let's get back to it. So I think come with the agreement that today is the last day. I quit. So I didn't quit. Came back. Realised, oh look cool. Realised I needed the money. So I'm still here. Up here. Getting the day's done, getting the money. And then in a few weeks, well, I say in a few weeks, in 4 or 5 weeks, we'll be leaving where we are in the middle of nowhere and finishing Australia. Gonna go up the rest of the east coast, and then we'll eventually get to Cairns, and then we're flying back to Sydney to then fly to Manila in the Philippines. So let's carry on. My neck is dead. I feel like I've said that 100 times, but my neck's dead, my fingers are dead, but let's fucking do it. We did it! Woo! Hard work done. For me. So it's our last night here. We've been here since April. It's now the start of August. So yeah, we're leaving in the morning, 7 AM bus to Brisbane. And then the next day we're starting our road trip over 11, 12 days and then off to the Philippines. So excited, nervous. It's kind of been our home for a while, so see you on the flip side.
We might have to edit it.
Last night here, leaving tomorrow.
Goodbye, Stando.
So that's it, farm work is done. We've been here since early April. It's now mid-August. So yeah, it's been tough, fun. But now we're gonna get a 2.5, 3 hour coach to Brisbane. We'll spend the night and then start our road trip up to Cairns the next day on Saturday. So yeah, any questions, pop me a message. Cheers. Hello, we're at Summit, our hostel for our farm work. Let me get some sand. Cheers.